So, what are the protein source of foods that I recommend you eat in order to get the benefits that we talked about in the protein section? So, the first thing is chicken breast, salmon, you can eat beef, you can take whey protein, you can eat any protein source that is lean source, and I mean by lean that the protein source do not have a lot of fat. Okay, tuna you can eat. What we are not going to eat is like pork, okay, because pork have proteins but also have a lot of fat. We do not want that. So eat lean protein sources. You can eat eggs, you can eat pastrami, you can eat mortadella, you can eat anything that have high protein in it but don't have high fat in it. So thank you.